Welcome back to the online session which I'm going to start for the solutions of the OU previous year questions. What is the main intention actually regarding this, the solving the previous year questions in the online session is because when I go with the actual classroom sessions, which actually I go with the problems, which the actual content which is required will be given to you, but if I want to solve the questions which has been asked on about for each unit 15 to 20 questions, time may not be sufficient. That's the case I am actually planning for the online session where you can utilize this, where you can go through the solution each one by one question, and then you can watch the video many number of times. If you have any queries, first go through the question. But the procedure is first try to solve it yourself and then click the solution whichever you want on the PDF. Either if you have still any doubts, you can go through the video online solution, right? Let us start with the first question, which is of the unit number 2. The question is, which is written in the board and also it is given onto you on the soft copy. The question is, the piston cylinder device with air at an initial pressure of 100 kilopascals and the volume of 0.1 meter cube undergoes an expansion process to pressure which is given at the state 2, that is at 37.9 kPa, and the volume at state 2 is given as 0.2 meter cube. Calculate the work done by the system. So let us first understand the question and let us go through the concept, and then accordingly we will try to solve the problem. This is very simple one. First is read the question and try to analyze what concept it is, where it exactly suits what kind of process it is. So there is a piston cylinder one. So let us try to go with the sketch first. So as you know, the famous example which we are solving number of times, the piston cylinder one, with air is actually in a medium in this, the system. So initially the pressures which is given is for the state 1 is 100 kPa. And the volume of this is given as 0.1 meter cube, and that is at the state 1. So after this, the state 2, what is happening is the expansion process is going to take place. So let us draw the sketch of the state 2. This is about the state 1 and this is about the state 2. So when the expansion process takes place, so the properties has been changed, where the pressure which is initially was about 100 has been changed down to 37.9 kPa, and which the volume is initially was 0.1, the volume has been increased. As you know, for the expansion process usually the volume increases. So this is your sketch. Let us also try to draw the PV diagram for this to analyze the clear picture about this. So to go through the previous diagram, PV diagram, first is we need to know what is the process which is actually taking place over here. So as you know, you have different processes such as like constant volume process, constant pressure process, isothermal process, adiabatic process, as well as polytropic process. So here which you go on over here is the volume is changing. So the process which it cannot be a constant volume process, the pressure is also changing. So the temperatures which is not given, so this process comes under the constant temperature, where is your isothermal process, where the process which is actually taking place over here is quasi-static process, where your temperature is remaining constant. So coming to this, let us go through the PV diagram to analyze. So coming to this, the variation of the curve for your isothermal process will be hyperbolic curve, okay, and the pressures which is given over there is P1 is 37 kPa and P2 is 100 kPa. So as your pressure is increasing, so this will be 1 and this will be 2. So coming to this, what is the question is, we need to calculate the work done. So work done, as you know, according to the curve for your PV diagram, anything under the curve of this, the area is nothing but your work done. So let us try to calculate the work done for your isothermal process. As you know, the work done for the isothermal process is displacement work integral PdV. So as you know, for this integral PdV, where you get the integration which is already we have done the derivation process in your classroom, it will be P1 V1 into ln V2 by V1. Okay. So here the pressures are given, which is initially as 100 pressure, and volume is also given 0.1 and ln. The V2 which is given is 0.2 Why? The point 1 is a V1. So finally you get the work done W12 by simple substitution. The answer would be around which I got a 6.93 kilojoules. This is the first solution in which this question has been asked on June 2011 5 marks question. I hope this problem is clear, which is the simple problem which I have started. I will be keep on updating the solution for each one and question as the level which increases. So try to solve each and every question by yourself first and then go through the PDF solution, and then if you have any queries you can go through the video session which you can watch number of times. I hope this will be utilized by you. Okay, thank you.